May 2000. Wow, it's actually better than I expected. When I got it at the Goodwill a few hours ago, it smelled like poop and had dog hairs on the brush roll. But turns out it was just a filter that sunk, and I used the filter on this one here. Now it has that one. I don't know why they charged $14 for it. It does have the removable tool caddy. This is one unique caddy vac, I will say that. My grandma wanted me to take it back, but, well, looks like I'm not taking it back now because I don't think there's anything wrong with it. Here's the mess that I had to deal with when I was cleaning it up. You wouldn't believe all the dog hairs it had on the brush roll. Look at that. Look at all that. Isn't that gross? There's the stinky poopy filter, and can't really see the hairs in there. But yeah, this thing's good as new. It's good as new. Mr. Trash Can, you go. Into my collection, you stay. Just gotta figure out where I'm gonna put you at. But yeah, this is a great machine. Surprisingly, it is. Now I'm gonna do a house run with it and see how it does. The results will probably be amazing. Great job, Ryan.